Hey guys, Haddy the creator here, creating something new to share with you. Today we are taking this picture my son drew, which he drew on graph paper by filling in different squares. And after I saw it, I thought, awesome! A chance to do pixel art for one of these collaborations. So this is the Redraw My Son's Art Pixel Art Edition, the first of its kind. I wanted to find an artist that was on YouTube and that had posted fairly recently. Through searching by new and rummaging through all of the Minecraft pixel art videos, I was able to find this pixel artist, Gabriel. He's from Sao Palo Brasil. He had recently uploaded a video creating this awesome piece of pixel art, and so I reached out to him. He was thrilled with the idea of a collaboration, and so we went to work. So my son's character is kind of a ghost wraith with a sword. Him's a spooky ghost! And he's doing some sort of magic with his other hand. Cool. This drawing was actually done by my son Hayden, my older son. He's 11, so let's jump right in and do some concept drawings and see if one of them sparks his interest. So jumping in, I am just going to do a few quick sketches with the pencil tool at a really small resolution. These are just going to be really rough since they are going to be pixel art. Give him some options to choose from as to what direction he would like his character to go. So there's not really much to say about them. They're pretty self-explanatory. They're all just direct translations from his drawing. Little ghosty guys with one hand doing magic and one hand holding a sword. Just a few different positions, different styles, different head types. So now I have 5 different concepts and I am ready to pull him in here and see which one he likes the best out of the 5 I have drawn up for him, and see if we have a winner. Chicken dinner.
I like number 1 because he's ready to throw magic. I like number 4 how he's striking his sword and just looking at the magic. I like number 2's laugh. Overall, I'd pick number 4. He's awesome.
So I picked number 4, which was also my favorite, but he gave me the caveat that I had to open up his mouth so it was more like his drawing, which was totally fine. That gives me more chance to do some more details inside his mouth anyway, which is cool. For the color palette, I dropped tools, some different colors right out of his drawing, and I think I came up with a nice complementary palette that will work great for this guy. Pixel art for me is a lot of experimentation, so you will see I kind of try different things and go back and change them and tweak things. Really, pixel art, you just tweak and tweak and tweak till it looks good. So I'm gonna stop talking now and just kind of play through this process. Done, let's go over and check in with Gabriel.
Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel Leite and I'm an artist based in Sao Palo Brasil. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Haddy for the opportunity. I barely posted any videos on my channel, and to be noticed by a fellow creator is just awesome, really. I started my channel as a way to share my work and overall just to get things done, you know? I've been doing some pixel art videos, but there's other stuff I like to try, like 3D modeling and texturing, digital illustration, so subscribe if you're into that. I recently graduated and I started a game dev team with my friends. We're called Monkey Suits and we have a couple of projects on the way, so stay tuned. But I think that's enough about me. So for this piece I took some inspiration from Pokemon sprite work, from the GBA and the S era, mainly 4th generation stuff, and you can see I have some tabs on Azeprite with some reference. I had a hard time thinking about what the pink things on the left hand were, so I went with some energy particles. I hope it looks nice. We'll see how that turns out. I'll leave you guys to it.
And here we are again at the end of one of these videos with 3 unique pieces of art, all inspired by my son's drawing. These are just awesome. I love them. To be fair to Gabriel, I used quite a few more pixels in my work area than he did, so I was able to get more details in, but I love how his turned out. And there is an art to making smaller pieces of pixel art and make them readable, make little sprites like that for games and stuff. It's a skill that takes a lot of practice, and he rendered that perfectly. It looks awesome. I don't think I'll ever get sick of drawing these. For me, these collaborations with other artists aren't for me to kind of climb on them and siphon out their subscribers, but I just love doing it. I love art. I love creative projects. I love when creative minds come together to create something bigger than themselves. So I'm gonna keep collaborating as much as I can. So let's kick comfort in the butt together. Keep on creating. We are all creators. Remember that. And I appreciate every single one of you for watching my videos and for coming along this journey with me. This is Haddy the Creator, and I will catch you on the next video.